Hi guys, this is Saad and in this tutorial I will tell you about how to add Google Maps in Android application. So let's get started. First we will go to our package menu, then click new, go to Google and Google Maps activity. Basically guys, listen, there are too many ways to add maps to your application in your activity or in fragment, but please always follow the best practices to add the map in your application. Always follow the practices that is defined by Google, so I am doing the same. So now when I click on finish here, it will add this activity, maps activity in my project. Just remove this as it's unnecessary, clear it. Now after adding this, we will find our we will go to Google and then create an API key that we have needed to add on our manifest. Here we have to just we have to add our API key here. So for this we will go to Google, then we will write console dot. I will provide this link to our to the URL to the description of my video, so you can click go to there. Okay, so here I am creating a new project. Just click here, go here, Google Map project. Okay, create. It's creating my project. Okay, my project has been created. Now I am going to my this new project. You can also select your project from here. So now I'm going to my this project. Okay, now I will click here menu button, go to API service, enable API in services. Just go here and find for Google Maps SDK and enable it. Enable APIs and services. It's here Maps SDK for Android. Just click here, enable. It's enabling. For now I am just cancelling it. So I don't want to enable it for now, but I will later. So I will click again here, then go to their credentials. Basically you have to see that my Google Maps project has been selected. Now click here API key, and then it will give me API key. You can create your API key like this, then copy here. Now go to here, Sorry, just now go to your local dot properties and define here, basically defined here like this maps underscore API underscore key is equals to paste your API key here. I will go to my Google and copy from here. Okay, now I will go to my manifest again, and here I will write my key like this. As you see that I have just added the variable name that I put in my local.gradle file maps underscore API underscore key. Just come here and edit here like this. So we are not defining in our API key in my Android manifest due to security reasons. Now we will build our application to test it. As you see that application has been built on my device. Now it's loading. So as you see, the maps is now working in my Android application, and the map is now available. Basically it's pointing this latitude and longitude and marker in Sydney. Basically when you click on this marker it will show this title. So let's change latitude longitude. You can put any latitude longitude, any place latitude longitude, or any city. So let's any famous thing, let's add London let long. So you see that this is a London latitude and longitude. Just copy this and paste it. Now building our app again. So guys, as you see it's pointing in London. Okay, so now you can also set its zoom type, its minimum zoom. Five. Okay, now build it again. Okay, so let's make it 10. Build again. Okay, now you're seeing that it's zoom a little bit more. Okay, so if you can change the zoom by entering a string, any string in here according to a requirement. You can also set the Google map dot type. This, for example, if you want map type as a terrain or anything, so you can set it. For example, Google map type normal, terrain, hybrid. So let's make it terrain. Now we will build again. Now you will see that our map is in terrain mode. It's showing in terrain. So basically this is all for now. uh, you can also set your map type here, So guys, if you will have any question regarding the maps, or if you want to know how we can add our we can see our current position in the map, so you can ask anything in the comment section. So please guys to subscribe my channel, like my videos. Thank you so much.